Thank you all, media, for gracing today's event. I feel proud that our call was answered by yourselves. And I also want to take this opportunity to introduce you to the Uganda Change Agents Association, an association that I've been inspired to create following the many challenges that we have faced in the issues that we have experienced with the banks and other government institutions. We know that behind every critical decision made, there is a channel of information flow, which means that for every decision a person makes, it is based on information, and journalists function as the medium through which information flows from different authorities to the people, and from the people back to positions of power. And in a world where accountability is often overshadowed by misuse of power, the Uganda Change Agents Association emerges as a beacon of hope and transformation. As we navigate the urgent need for change within our private and government institutions, we are reminded that the true strength of our democracy lies in transparent information flow and the courage to hold every stakeholder accountable. At UCCA, we believe that change starts with the right support systems in place. That's why we are thrilled to announce our scholarship program aimed at empowering the next generation of journalists. By accepting our scholarship offer for yourself or for your children, you are not just securing an opportunity for your children or relatives or for yourself. You are investing in a future where integrity and accountability reign. This isn't just a one-off payment. It's a commitment to a sustainable future where journalism thrives. But we are not stopping there. We understand the challenges journalists face in their line of work. To that end, every journalist and every journalist house that subscribes to UCCA will receive annual insurance cover for their essential media equipment, such as cameras, mobile gadgets, and other tools of the trade. This means that in the unfortunate event of damage or accidental spoiling, you can rest easy knowing that your equipment can be replaced without the burden of additional costs. In a time when the media is often feared by those who wield power, and for that very reason, we believe it is crucial to equip our journalists with the tools they need to do their jobs effectively and safely. UCCA is here to support those who dare to seek the truth and hold the powerful accountable. Join us in this vital cause, and together we will foster a culture of honesty and transparency, turning the tide against those who misuse their authority. Let's pave the way for a new generation of change agents, armed with the knowledge, skills, and support to make a meaningful impact. In a world where information shapes the decisions that drive change, we are thrilled to announce the launch of Uganda Change Agents Association. And as we embark on this journey, we stand firm in our belief that behind every critical decision made, there is a channel of information flow, which is the media in this space. UCCA is dedicated to empowering journalists, the unsung heroes of our society, who tirelessly work to shed light on the issues that matter most. And this year, we are excited to introduce a groundbreaking initiative, a fund of $500,000 earmarked for facilitating non-collateralized, interest-free loans for all journalists under our umbrella. This initiative isn't just about financial support. It's a testament to the immeasurable value that journalists bring to the table as we collectively strive for meaningful change in both government institutions and the private sector. Change agents are everywhere. They are the friends who inspire us, the media personnel who hold power accountable, the policy makers who create impactful legislation, and the influencers who spark conversations. They are the heartbeats of innovation and progress. And at UCCA, we are proud to be change agents for Uganda. As we dive into this new chapter, we recognize the vital role of our members. Change agents are not just facilitators of information, they are the architects of transformation. They help develop the need for change, diagnose problems, and translate ideas into action. Their proximity to the communities they serve allows for a rich exchange of insights and innovations that drive progress forward. We invite journalists and media personnel across Uganda to join us